Welcome to the next phase of the Indomitus Coast to Coast Challenge. Today, we're going to showcase the Plasmacyte that has a whopping 4 parts.
If you include the base.
Yeah, we spent about, oh, that's true. We spent about 4 hours doing them. It was supposed to be a speed paint, and it turned out that, what was your time? Because
2 hours, 28 minutes.
2 hours and 28 minutes, and I was about 2.5 hours. So roughly the same. We'll see what we got. And if you were more judicious on the clock, you would have been lower than that, because you were Galvin. Yep. Like I was hard on the clock. As soon as I put the air gun down, clock stopped. And as soon as I picked it up, clock start. I was like a chess master. So I think I went first last time, so you can share your screen and show us your Plasmacyte.
All right. Let me open up. Share screen. Oh, photos. That's better. Share. Right. So here's my super special pre-made base and my Plasmacyte, which I kept to pretty standard Necron Sautech colorations, although I did make him a little worn. I did break the poor fringy fangy thing, whatever the hell this is.
It's a shocker.
I let the contours help me out with wear effects there, so I was quite happy about that. Yeah, it was a good base. I wish I could say I made that base, but I purchased it on a clearance sale.
But I think it's something you can replicate because it does look good.
Yes. So, yeah, a little bit of, what was that? Nightshade, Drukhari Nightshade, Drakenhof Nightshade. That's what it was, to do the shading instead of the standard Nuln oil or any black oil or anything like that. A lot of people use Agrax Earthshade, but I don't know about that myself. I like the way it's worn and chipped. I'm very happy with that. The Tesseract Glow makes such a great effect, right?
Big fan. After our first Necron thing, I ended up buying some because yours came out so good.
Yeah, see, I have no idea when or how I did it, but I broke that poor thing.
Oh.
But that's all right. It's battle damage, right?
Yep. It was a pure sniper shot.
Oh, quit screwing around with the mic.
Oh, I'm not actually doing anything.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, so I was quite happy. I decided to get a little more extra color in there, doing the Hachette copper on the filigree on that piece of masonry there. And somewhere in here, I have special enhanced versions with photo. There we go.
Oh, cool.
Yep, that was a nice little extra layer, a plop of white, and some outer glow.
Oh, that one looks cool.
Yeah, you dig that, don't you? I keep thinking this part's the front, though, because that just looks like a tail.
Yeah.
It might be, though. But then again, this is the head. And we know that's the head because we've seen the similar things on similar models.
Maybe it's like a worm. If it breaks in half, both pieces can function independently.
Oh, I wouldn't put it past those little Necron undead bastards. And since it was a speed paint, there's really nothing else to talk about it. I hit it with lead belcher, and I did some highlights, and I did my shading, and I did my Tesseract Glow, and I was done.
Cool. 2.5 hours, right?
Yep.
Excellent. All right, so let me share screen mine. So that's my guy. And then I got the tinny tin.
Super shiny. What was the silver?
Silver is aluminum. Vallejo aluminum.
Excellent. I got a tip for this audio that I think will help in a
What's
minute.
that? Oh, okay.
Oh, that's good. Your bugs are better than mine.
And see, the typhus actually looks good when you use it correctly, or when just when you mix it.
And with
Got
that,
a piece of fuzz.
that's some Agrland earth on the bottom there.
Yeah, it's the Abaddon something. It's one of the other technical paints. I've actually done we've done so many Necrons that I may actually need more to make it to the end of the challenge. And then this is more of the a close up of the typhus corrosion, man. It's just
I dig it.
It's really cool. It'll help
That's
me
good
in
stuff.
It'll help me in my future and the big spot of fuzz.
So you didn't really believe in shading on this one?
It didn't actually,
as a wash, that is.
It didn't take. Yeah, no, not as a wash. It's not. It's the recesses were a lot darker, but I don't know if it was because I handled it or something. I actually tried using contrast paints.
Ooh.
To fill in the holes, and I don't think it got as good a. It didn't get as good. I didn't get as good as.
I like the glossy in there.
Thanks. It's just some gloss coat on my. And that's it. And you can see it on.
Sweet. That's good stuff.
So that's my Plasmacyte. Took me about the same time. I was more judicious with the timer because I counted like when I was putting on a mask, because I use my airbrush for a lot of that. I counted when I was putting on a mask and taking off a mask and spraying the paint, but I didn't count when I was cleaning the thing in between colors. And so just when I was actively working on them, drying time didn't count because I let the metal dry for a whole day. So I just sprayed I sprayed that and then I let it dry. And that's it. And then so you can find my stuff at Plastic Hobbies. Right there. Ooh. And
that's your Instagram as well. And
that's my Instagram, my YouTube, my Discord, and my OnlyFans is now Candy Boy, CandiBoi. That's my OnlyFans. It used to be Naughty Nurse 69 for you, but I've changed it. And where can they find your stuff?
Oh, my stuff is generally on Twitter. It's Super Macho Stream, SUPR Macho Stream, Super Macho Jedi Knight on Instagram, and Super Macho Jedi Knight on YouTube.
And join us next for, I don't even remember, so I'll just put in a title card that says. So,
it's been a year. We're only halfway.
I know, but we're getting better. So, and that was the point of the Indomitus Coast to Coast Challenge.
It is, in fact.
We'll see you
push
next time.
Boom.